guys, so today I'll give you some practice advice on Breval Cello Sonata in C major from Suzuki Book 4. The first movement is in 3 sections, A, B, A. The first section goes from bar 1 to bar 39. The second section goes from bar 40 to bar 68. The last section goes from bar 68 to the end. There are 2 main things to focus on this piece. The flexibility in your hand. What I mean by that is this motion. This is going to help you with sounding more fluid when you play faster passage. So you can start out by practice this motion on a surface, a table, anything. When you feel comfortable, you'll do the motion on the string. Stay stationary and then just do the motion. Make sure to not move your wrist, but only this part of your hand. So the last step is to play with this motion. So the second thing to watch out for is string crossings. There are forearm string crossing and elbow string crossing in this piece, which I will get into later. At the beginning, watch out for how you use the bow. Make sure to save for the bottom, then use more bow for the second half of the chord. At bar 6, to make sure to have an accurate rhythm, I would take out the trill first and then add it back in later. From bar 26 to bar 28, it's a good exercise for flexibility in the hand. Make sure you're doing this. And at bar 29, this passage you need to use forearm string crossing. So have your bow stay at D string angle and then just move your forearm like this. At bar 29 for the first 3 sets, make sure to have it on D string angle. When it gets to the last one, you change it to G string angle. A good way to practice this is to rest your elbow on something, a chair, anything, or table. This stays stationary and then just move your forearm. From bar 40 to 47, and experiment with using different parts of the bow for forte and piano. I suggest using lower half for mezzo forte. From bar 56 to 57, make sure to use elbow for string crossing, not forearm. From bar 58 to 59, you might find this fingering a little awkward. It almost feels like stretch and then release. Stretch, release, stretch, release. Bar 89 to 92 is another place for forearm string crossing. Almost feels like you're drawing circles with your forearm. For fingering at bar 90, I will use 2, and then 4, 2, and then collapse your hand, and then move it over. Bar 98 to 100. You can use rhythm practice. You can practice different rhythm and different bowings. I would do all slur with the triplets. I can also do rhythm, and then the reverse, and then do 16th notes. Lastly, at bar 101, you can practice the trill with the metronome from slow to fast. So I set my metronome to 60, and here's how you're going to do it. Then 2. And then 3. to come in for the grist note. Divide the entire bar to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it comes in at the very last end. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.